I love a good citrusy cake, so today I'm going to be showing you how to make lemon poppy seed loaf cake, which is very easy and the flavor is just amazing. I have a couple of ingredients which you're going to find listed in the right quantity in the description box. So I'm going to add in sugar to my bowl. That is a cup of sugar. Over here I have 2 very fresh lemons. I need 2 tablespoons of lemon zest, so I'm going to zest the green part of the lemon. Adding in 2 tablespoons of lemon zest is going to bring a very sharp and tangy flavor to your cake in a good way. Pick my next lemon and repeat. Make sure not to grate the white part because the cake will turn out bitter. So I'll be using my fingertips to squeeze in the lemon zest into the sugar to release the natural oils from the lemon zest. After mixing, I have some very fragrant and flavorful lemon sugar. So to my bowl, I'm going to be adding in some margarine. If you don't have some margarine, you can add some butter. Go in with my spatula just to combine the lemon sugar with the margarine. At this point, I'm going to crack in 2 eggs. And at this point, you're going to preheat your oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Line your baking loaf tin with parchment paper and spray with cooking spray. If you don't have the cooking spray, you can spread some margarine or butter and line with the parchment paper. So I'm going to whip up my eggs until nice and creamy. I'm going to start off by using low speed so that I can combine the eggs with the sugar and margarine. Then I'm going to increase the speed to high, whip up my butter until it's very nice and fluffy. By whipping up the butter until doubled up in size, the outcome is going to be a very fluffy cake. Scrape the sides of my bowl to make sure everything is coming along nicely. This is how my butter is looking. It's very nice and smooth. You can spot the lemon zest in my butter. So to my bowl, I'm going to be adding in some vanilla essence, salt, baking powder, mixing using my spatula. It smells so good. I'm going to use the same lemons that I used to get my zest to get a tablespoon of lemon juice. Mixing the lemon juice. This is going to add some very nice lemon flavor to my cake. At this point, I don't need a mixer. I'm just going to be using my spatula. You are going to add your all-purpose flour together with milk, alternating and mixing until fully combined. Go in with my spatula, mix the flour into the butter. Add some more all-purpose flour, mixing. And gradually add in some milk. Do not overmix your butter while mixing, because once you overmix, the cake is going to crack on top. When your butter is looking very nice and flowing without being very runny, the butter is ready. So I'm going to add in poppy seeds to my butter. Fold in the poppy seeds into the butter. My oven is ready for my cake, and also my cake batter is ready. So I'm going to pick my loaf pan and transfer the butter in the pan. This is looking very nice and smelling so good. Evenly distribute the butter in the pan. Make sure you get everything from the bowl. Tap 2 times on my countertop to remove the excess air bubbles in my butter and also level up my butter in the tin. While adding butter to your tin, always make sure to add halfway, because if you add the butter past halfway, your cake is going to spill while in the oven. So yeah, that is a very good tip. So I'm going to be baking my cake for around 45 minutes to 50 minutes, or you can check if the cake is ready by inserting a skewer in the cake. Once the skewer comes out clean, the cake is ready. Also, you'll have some very nice golden brown color on top. That's how you know that your cake is ready. After the cake is ready, remove the cake from the oven and let the cake cool for around 10 minutes in the tin. Tap your cake on the countertop to release the cake from the tin, and place the tin upside down on the palm of your hands and invert the cake. Remove the parchment paper and transfer to a cooling rack so that the cake can cool completely. I love how gorgeous the cake is looking. It's moist, fluffy. You can see the poppy seeds, lemon zest, and ham. The cake flavor is just spot on. Check out how fluffy my cake is looking. This always excites me when my cake turns out this good.